Well, I think we just got used. No? Well, I guess this is a show that's going to last forever. Might as well fire up the other camera too, because I got the busy signal on. Oh no, no, we want that. We want. So now we're back to multiple cameras here. So I know this is going to be a pretty strange shot. Definitely the Olympus has a better lens, but I'm probably covering up the microphone, so. You think cigarette smoke's bad? Why don't you try inhaling gunpowder?
We're so close.
Okay, this might be the grand finale. We're not sure yet. Alright, so what did we learn tonight, beautiful Barb? We learned that all that red is strontium. All that green is copper. Blue is the hardest color to make because I cannot remember what metal burns blue. But it doesn't really matter because here's the grand finale, folks. So to all of you out there, have a safe and sane 4th of July. But if you know me, my sanity has been questioned.
Remember, don't drink and drive. Smoke and drive, baby.
Well, just remember to be safe. Now, we don't really know what the concept of sanity is, not at least around my house. My cat might know. So happy birthday, America. It is now the year 2012. You were conceived in 1776. That makes you very old and makes like our Supreme Court justices, half of them wear the pens anyway. Makes you a very old country. But you're a very successful country. And why is that? Because we believe in the concept of freedom! Yay, freedom! The freedom to take movies.
God bless America.
God bless America. What a beautiful grand finale we're experiencing in this wonderful little hick town of Waupun, which has a greater prison population than it does anything but farm animals. What a fabulous grand finale. I can't even get all of it. Get in different pieces. I got one family here with us. Yeehaw! This is what we live for. The grand finale. The big O. The giant climax. Oh, we're not done yet. We're now on like the 3-hour mark. Talk about lightening up the sky. Now can we clap? Is it over? What do you think? Well, the audience believes that it's over. I don't know what to think. I don't have a belief system anymore, so I don't believe in anything. Well,
Get out of here.
I gotta get out of here. I've certainly said that recently.
Woo.
All right. Well, we're calling this.
All that smoke is going right into my freaking